Om Shri Matre Namaha. Hello my divine viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Vedic Dream Meaning. Marriage is a sacred bond, and in Vedic astrology, several factors are considered to ensure a happy and a prosperous married life. And one such important factor is Mahendra Porutham. But what exactly is Mahendra Porutham? Why is it important? And how does it affect a couple's life? So in this video, we will explore Mahendra Porutham in detail, its significance and how it helps in determining a strong marriage. The word Mahendra comes from Sanskrit, where Maha means great and Indra refers to Lord Indra, the king of the Devas. Indra is known for his strength, prosperity and ability to bless people with growth and protection. In marriage compatibility, Mahendra Porutham refers to the ability of a couple to grow together in all aspects. It could be financially, emotionally, and spiritually. In simple words, Mahendra Porutham ensures that the couple will have a life filled with prosperity, stability, and mutual support. It is believed that if this Porutham is present, the husband and wife will have a long-lasting, supportive, and a secure marriage. Why is Mahendra Porutham important? Marriage is not just about love. It's about sustaining a life together. Don't you agree? A couple needs good fortune, financial stability and emotional strength so that they can navigate with their life's ups and downs. So this is exactly what Mahendra Porutham ensures. When Mahendra Porutham is present between a bride and a groom, it means the husband will have a steady and a successful career. So this ensures financial security for the family. The wife will have a source of support and strength. That is, she will help in making the family strong and successful. They both will have good luck and protection from obstacles. Just like Lord Indra is the protector of the heavens, Mahendra Porutham will bring protection in the real life. The couple will have good children who bring happiness. This compatibility is believed to bless the couple with children who are well behaved and successful. Overall growth and prosperity. The couple will not face major struggles in life and will have a smooth journey together. How is Mahendra Porutham checked? Mahendra Porutham is determined based on the nakshatras, that is the birth stars of the bride and the groom. If the groom's star is placed in a way that supports the bride's star, it is considered a good Mahendra Porutham. Similarly, if the bride's star supports the groom's star, then it brings mutual growth. Some birth stars naturally have Mahendra Porutham with each other, while others do not. Mahendra Porutham is determined by checking the position of the groom's nakshatra, that is the birth star, from the bride's nakshatra. So if the groom's birth star is in the 4th, 7th, 10th, 13th, 16th, 19th, 22nd or 25th position from the bride's birth star, the match is considered favorable for Mahendra Porutham. And in some cases, astrologers might even omit position 7, 16 and 22 due to Tara Balam. If Mahendra Porutham is missing in a marriage match, it may indicate some financial or career-related struggles that the couple might have to face. For example, delays in financial growth, lack of mutual support, or even career obstacles after marriage. However, astrology also provides remedies for overcoming the absence of Mahendra Porutham, like for example, performing special pujas and prayers to Lord Vishnu and also chanting specific mantras to bring financial stability. If other Poruthams like Rajju, Rasi and Yoni Poruthams are strong, the couple can still have a successful marriage. Mahendra Porutham is only an added advantage. So don't worry, its absence does not mean a bad marriage. So generally, in Vedic astrology, Mahendra Porutham is only considered as an added advantage and not as a mandatory match. So in conclusion, Mahendra Porutham is one of the most important factors in Vedic matchmaking, but it is not only the one. A successful marriage depends on love, understanding and mutual respect. So even if Mahendra Porutham is not present, couples can still have a happy and successful marriage by supporting each other and facing the challenges together with understanding. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such astrology insights. See you in the next video. Thank you and Namaskaram.